Hey y'all, so it's my first full day in Curacao and it's an adventure day, of course. So I took the ferry from Ochabanda to Punda. The ferry is free, guys, and I did book my scooter tour with Iguana Ride. So it's 30 USD dollars for an hour. The tour was good. You can find him on Instagram. Again, it's called Iguana Ride. After the tour was over, the guy hooked me up with someone. He does free walk tour, is that what they call it? And yeah, he took those videos of me. Anyways, fast forward to my dinner now. That's me showing you guys what I'm wearing. The bottom is from Shein. The gold bag is also from Shein, but my cute slippers is from Fashion Nova. So I went to the Nor bar. It's right across from the Emma Bridge, and it was a vibe. So now this cocktail. Guys, to see how tall the glass is, the video may not do any justice, but trust me, that cocktail was lit. I paid $15 USD and it's worth it because it was yum. Oh, that's me showing my face. So I ordered